if ever you see me with the camera set up like this, with everything angled back like that, you'll know straight away I'm using the Nikkor 120. Okay, while I'm doing this, I'll show you the preview image. Clearly, unlike with the long lens where my subject is a long way away, here my subject is really close. And it's obviously these trees here. Here we go. Yeah, that'll do. That's good. That's it, pretty straightforward. I'm not going to muck around with this. Yep. The sun's going over there. Let me get my lens hood out, see if I can very carefully. And the lens hood, the compendium lens hood. It's my lens hood on, just a little bit of shade there, but it's a really wide lens, so I've got to be careful. So we'll see how we go. So, metering time. The picture's mostly about the white trees. I can let those dark trees in the background go down. They're 10 now. Okay. The dark trees in the background are 10, the shadow. The grey tree that's in shadow is 12, and I'd say that's about mid-grey. So that's looking pretty good to me. Okay. This is how zone system works. So that's the 12, which is the mid-grey, and that's the 10 on zone 3. So we're talking half second f45. Half second f45. That gives me out of reciprocity and gives me a huge amount of depth of field. Okay, let me take this lens off to adjust it. Half second. f45. Half second f45. Okay, let's burn some film. My film's getting hot. It's not good. Now for the great pencil chase. This is 120. Half second to 45. Let's do it. Don't have to worry about bellows flapping in the wind with this lens, do I?